Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and welcome to Drama YT. And I am back with another K-drama video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top Hallyu star Kim Soo Hyun. He is currently Korea's highest paid actor in 2020. And his new drama, It's Okay to Not to Be Okay, is definitely doing more than just okay these days. 200 million won. That's about 1,66,000 US dollar, and it is the amount he is bringing home per episode from his new hit drama It's Okay to Not to Be Okay. The series is now on its 4th episode and the show has a total of 16 episodes, so you can do the math now. Now if that doesn't put things into perspective for you, this massive financial milestone has officially put Kim Soo Hyun ahead of all the top names in Korean industry, like Hyun Bin, whose talent fees was said to be 83,900 US dollar per episode of Crash Landing on You, or say Lee Min-ho, who's believed to have made 62,000 US dollars per episode of The King Eternal Monarch, and Ji Chang-wook, who reportedly receives 50,300 US dollars per episode of Backstreet Rookie. In the past, Forbes also awarded Kim Soo Hyun in its top 2 spot in its 2015 Korea Power Celebrity list, while Forbes Asia included him in its 30 under 30 awardees in 2016. It goes without saying that he is an in-demand Hallyu star and he has bagged multiple awards in Korean award circuit. His steady rise to fame began when he was just 19, but it was small screen titles like Dream High, Moon Embarrassing the Sun, My Love from the Star, and The Producers that truly gave him the cult status. He since also tried his hand at films like Secretly, Greatly, and Singing and succeeded in those arenas too. With quarantine still in full swing, it's a good idea to dig into his latest show available on Netflix, or you can maybe watch it on another website also. It is called It's Okay to Not Be Okay, where he plays a health worker at a psychiatric ward who discovers love in a place he never quite expected. If you are just starting to get to know Kim Soo Hyun, no matter which of his projects you choose to see first, I am sure the viewing experience will leave a lasting impression on you and you will become a fan of him. My personal favorite drama of his is called My Love from the Star, and if you haven't watched that drama yet, what are you waiting for? It is one of the best Korean dramas I have ever seen, and it is in my list of all-time favorite Korean dramas list. So that was it guys. The video ends here, I think, this video. So you can just hit the like button or subscribe to Drama YT YouTube channel, and I will see you later. As always, the K to love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
Headshot.
कभी आते जाते रास्ते में, कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में,